I will try to fix you.
Come on. Come on.
Hello teachers, have you heard about English Bright? They offer 1,700 plus free interactive resources. Yes, you heard it right. Free.
Wow! What's inside English Bright?
Inside English Bright, you'll find main lesson, homework, flashcards, fun games, stories, celebrations, and more. Here's a glimpse of their interactive lesson.
English Bright if you teach kids online. You want stress-free lesson prep. You love creative lessons. You need content for all levels 0 to advanced. And you want free access. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now. You can access all their lessons and use my code Joville30ebright to get 30% off.
English Bright?